Hey, another personal ride for sale here at Maple Motors. This is a 1996 Chevy Impala SS with 51,000 original miles. LT1 350. Power steering, power brakes, cold AC. This is a real nice vehicle, guys. Priced at $32,900. It will not last long. Beautiful paint. Nice interior. And of course now a full test drive video. This has got a set of 24-inch reps. These are basically like stocks, but oversized. Culture Classic rims. They're also like brand new, with tires that are almost brand new. For now, hit subscribe, share. And guys, they also said we can put the actual stock rims back on it. If you don't like these wheels, that's fine. These can come off, stock rims can go back on. I guess now we're gonna take off. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, check everything out. Not a whole lot wrong with this car. He did say that the odometer will come and go. That is a common fault with these Impalas. Same with the radio faces. See, it's working and it comes and goes. Got your wipers, they do work. Oh, let me turn them on for a second. AC, nice and cold. Horn, of course it's easy. Got a little bit of dirt here, that should come off. Dash is looking good. And the headliner looks clean. I guess for now we're just going to take off down the road. Somebody eventually, I'm sure, will change that radio out to a touchscreen. Have a little navigation there for you. Just makes sense. Well, let's hit the road and see how this one runs and drives. It's time to roll out, guys. Pretty quick and easy test drive here. This, like I said, was a personal ride. Always sat inside. And the only reason, like I said, he bought another one, this is the only reason he's selling this one. He got another one with like 20,000 miles, which I told him, I was like, man, this one's already, you know, at the 50 mark, you might as well just get it and enjoy it. And he's like, oh, the 20,000, I gotta have that one. I did the same thing. I sold my white Camaro with 80,000 and bought one with 15, and now I'm scared to drive it. Here we go. Speedometer, tach, temperature gauge, gas gauge, it's all working. Tight steering, it's turning as soon as I turn. Just silky smooth and straight as an arrow here. Getting in those brakes, also nice and smooth. Back in the throttle. It sounds great, it's pulling good. I knew there wouldn't be much on this one. It's an easy test drive for me. We're going to go over here. We'll just kind of light up the undercarriage, couple outside shots, and then we'll do picking out the flaws, look at the paint. We'll pop the trunk and make sure we don't miss anything. Of course, for now, I'll be right back. time to roll out, guys. Hey, also we got merchandise available at maplemotors.com, including these Richardson 112 hats with the Maple Motor design. We've also got another style of hats, shirts, hoodies, zip-ups, all that stuff for the holidays. I am hoping next week I'll be picking up. I had some people asking for some 4X hoodies. I should have them next week, so be watching that site. They should pop up. Let's take off, head on back to the lot. There's a guy on here that keeps asking for cargo pants, but man, it's too hard to get all those sizes. We looked into it, but you'd have to get all the different sizes and stuff. I can make some patches you can put on your pants. Well, so far this test drive's done great. We've been sitting around in the parking lot for 30 minutes checking it out, getting the outside shots. I did the walk around. I even burned a little gas. You can see now we're under a quarter tank. All the gauges are working great. This car is really, really nice for a 96 model. And especially to have these 24s on it, it rides very well. Tires rub a little bit on the inside there from the rims. All right. See, the suspension's still nice and smooth. Well, we're gonna pull back into the lot here, picking out the flaws, chips, scratches, rust dents. That's coming up right now, so stick around for that, and I'll see you here in just a moment. Oh yeah, the wind is kicking out here, so it seems like we're gonna have some bad weather coming in today. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, and it got the sound on high wind canceling, so we'll see how that goes now. Let's get started picking out the flaws. We'll start in the trunk area. Rear bumper on this one's super nice, nice and clean. Same with those tail lights. Oh, a bird got us while we're out here. We're gonna have to wash that off. Jam super clean, trunk just perfect. Same with your trunk lid. Went down the sides. Little chips here, just on top of that trim. Spot the paint there. Headlights looking super clean. Back your midsection. Spot here. Couple light little specks on the mirror, real light though. It's like a little scratch here and there. I think those will buff out. Front windshield has some little specks in it too. No, that's just a little overspray. That should come on. Here's a speck here though. Trying to find anything. Let's go to the other side. Dirt there. Again, bird crap got us. We'll get that off. Little scuff, that should come off. I think that's just bird, or not bird, that's a bug hit the windshield or something. It's not a scuff. Little spot in your trim here. Overall, I mean, that's great for a 96 model. Come on now. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Door panel super slick, carpet also nice and clean. Back seat on this one. It's all near perfect, guys. Door dinger works. Edge of that seat's clean. Sorry about that dinger. We'll go ahead and start her up. Quite nice. Again, I do got a picture of that odometer. He said it comes and goes. All of them, most of them did it. I can't say all of them because I don't know all of them, but I do know a handful of them that we have had odometers like to cut off because they're digital. Just a flat factory flaw there they had. Push the clips back down in there. Coming on down with the hood. Hey, there's 100 detailed pictures available on this ride. MapleMotors.com. There's financing and shipping also available. All I ask is if you hit like and subscribe to my videos. I've been putting these out since 2016, and I do appreciate all the support that you give me. Any other questions on this ride? If you have them, all you got to do is call me. We'll go over it. We'll check it out and send you more videos. Do have the stock wheels as well. If you don't like these, put the stocks on there. All right, good deal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.